The whales know things you haven't seen. They felt the weight of centuries. The whales go places you don't know. They ponder depths beyond, below. The whales ferry their souls about. They wail a song of whale renown. They're swimming through the soul of earth. The whales alone know what it's worth. The whales. Since man crafted the rafts from land and sailed seas never understanding, marvel submarine beneath, from myths and ancient tales to keep for Jonah, Cain and Job, Ahab and Pinocchio. Do whales tell tales of bearded men